Hi friends, welcome to Abhi, a YouTube testing tutorial channel. Let us gain knowledge on testing concepts. Please subscribe to the channel. Hi friends, today we are going to look into the topic of Agile model. Though Agile is one of the SDLC model, it had gained a lot of importance among the SDLC models. It is considered to be the most important and models. It is considered to be the most important and the most usage model in the software companies. As it gains a lot of importance, it should have some special specifications or special properties to gain that much importance. Today, let us look into the Agile model to know why it had gained that much importance. First of all, Agile is one of the SDLC model. We can say Agile is a iterative and incremental process. We are mentioning it as iterative because a frequent of steps is carried out that are SDLC phases only, like requirement, design, implementation, testing, and deployment. Once one cycle of the steps is over, again second cycle will start. Again the second requirements will come. So basic upon the second requirement design will be done, and basic upon design implementation will be done, testing will be done. So like this, it is iterative process. That's why we are mentioning it as a iterative process. And we are mentioning it as incremental process because we are getting new requirements after every cycle. In the second iteration, we are getting the new requirements. After completing a first cycle, we are deploying the first module and we are getting the customer feedback, and we are adding some changes to the, and we are getting some new requirements, and also we are implementing the changes or feedback given by these customer. We are implementing in the second build. So actually in the software companies, actual product or divided into modules. In one iteration, we are completing one build. So product into small incremental builds. In the one iteration, we are getting output of one build. That means it have output of one module. Like this, in series of iteration, we are getting multiple builds or multiple modules. We are not producing at a big bang theory, like we are not producing an entire product in a single instance. We are producing the product in the form of build by build, like module by module. We are submitting that modules or builds to the customer, and we are getting the feedback and improvising the next build or improvising the requirements which we are maintaining. This is called iterative and incremental process. So this can be maintained and be observed in the spiral model also. But the major difference between the spiral model and the agile model is spiral model follows is a waterfall model process. The same waterfall model process steps are getting repeated. But here B model steps are getting repeated. That means when a new requirements comes, when the BA team interacts with the client and get the requirements and produce a requirement specification document. So basic upon the requirement specification document, the test team involves and create acceptance test design. And also the architect based upon the requirement specification document, they go for the design. In the design, first they go for the high level design. The high level design means how the entire project looks like, what are the tools to be maintained, what are the front end tools, what are the back end tools, what the communication should happen from starting of the project to end of the project. This all can be designed. Basic upon this high level design, test team will create their test design test cases. And also after this high level design, the architects team go for the low level design, and they will store the list of modules should be maintained, and they create the communication between the modules, what are the tools should be employed in that, what are tools to be used in that particular modules. So basic upon the low level design, the test team create unit test designs. So whenever low level design for one module is over, the test team will start preparing unit test design, and again development will team start implementing that low level design coding for that modules. So architects will continuously work creating the low level design for other modules. The test team will continuously developing the unit test cases, and development team started working on implementing that module. So parallelly the architects team, development team and test team is actually involving. So all the teams are working together. So this is the major advantages observed in the agile model. And the agile model is a process adaptability and customer satisfaction is kept as a main focus. Process adaptability means for one module, one process should be followed. For next module, based upon the requirement changes, the process should be tailored, process should be altered. The best suitable process should be maintained for one module. That can be done in the agile model. In the previous SDLC module, same process is followed for each and every module, but here different processes are followed for each and every model. That's why agile model is a process adaptability and customer satisfaction is the most important. This can be done only through agile model. So because of all these parameters, agile model had gained. Friends, in this video we have looked into the agile model. In the next video we will discuss about the advantages and disadvantages of the agile model and also when we have to use this agile model. To get updates on this continuation video, please subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get immediate updates. Friends, please click on subscribe button to support our channel Abhey, and also please click on like button and share this video to your friends who are eager to gain knowledge on testing concepts. Friends, I heartfully thank you for your valuable support to our Abhey, a YouTube testing tutorial channel. I hope it will continue forever.